What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. In today's video, we are going to be on the patio. We need to do some tidying up out here because it is just getting a little bit crazy for my liking. So it is about 9 a.m. I'm going to show you around the patio, show you what needs to get done, and then we're going to get straight to it. Look at this hydrangea. I planted these hydrangeas from seed. OMG, they are so stunning. I have two of them. Aren't those cute? So I'm excited to get this patio together so that me and the kids can enjoy the outdoors again. All right, so when you first walk onto the patio, we have this little area here, which has all of this gardening stuff. This is where I just dropped it off. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here, but this area right here does get a little bit of sunlight during the day. This area doesn't get much direct sunlight, so I think I'm gonna end up moving this back further. So if you come this way, we have my little plant stand. I think I like this here. I like my plants on there, so I'll probably just tidy that up. We have kids' toys. We have our little table and chair set, a couple of grow bags, this stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get this together. You see the garden back there? We're gonna get this together real quick.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So that looks so much better. It's nice and clear, and you can walk back here easily. So let's go ahead and move on to this area. Let's do it. this video was super satisfying, and we are going to continue to just make this space homey and southern, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.